Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make this super cute leaf decoration for your headphones. It's super easy, you only need one ball of wool and a crochet hook. We'll start off with a chain 8. Now from the chain, the second chain down here, make one single crochet. One half double crochet in the next chain. A double crochet in the next chain. A double crochet increase in the next chain. One double crochet in the next chain. A half double crochet in the next chain. A single crochet in the next chain, and then that's half of your leaf. Chain 3 and turn your leaf around. So here you can see that there's chains that we've just completed. Continue in the first chain, one single crochet, one half double crochet in the next chain, one double crochet in the next chain, a double crochet increase in the next chain, one double crochet in the next chain, a half double crochet in the next chain, one single crochet, then chain 2. From here, make 7 more chains. For this leaf, repeat what we did for this leaf. So start with one single crochet in the second chain, one half double crochet, one double crochet, a double crochet increase, a half double crochet, a single crochet, a single crochet, then chain 3, turn around the leaf, and keep repeating the instructions. So here we have one single crochet, one half double crochet, one double crochet, a double crochet increase, one half double crochet, one single crochet, and slip stitch. From here, cut and weave in the ends. From here, insert your crochet hook into the connecting parts of the leaf, and using the same coloured yarn, chain 35. Connect the end of the chain to the leaf using a slip stitch. From here, cut the end and weave it in. And this is how the leaf finally looks. Thanks for watching.